Dear children, very warm welcome to our 4th standard maths online class. Okay, in this previous class, we discussed about predecessor and successor and largest number and smallest number to the given number. Right now, okay, so I have to ask some question. So we are also say the answer. Right now, what is the predecessor of 10,000? What's the predecessor of 10,000? Just you have to subtract 1 from the given number. What we will get? 9,999 is the predecessor of 10,000. What's the successor? Yeah, 10,001 is the successor. Okay. Today we learn about rounding of the numbers. Rounding on the number means you have to close to or approximation of the given number. Just replace the number it closer or approximation. For example, suppose for 25.666 is a number right now. Just many of the member are also so that is 26 right now. Yeah, that is approximation. So approximation means you have to replace the number in rounded value. You can replace the number in rounded value. That is rounding of the numbers. So how will you find the rounding of the numbers? Okay, the first one is rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10. Rounding up the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, just first all of you go to the rules. Rule number 1. Check whether the ones place is greater than 5 or less than 5. Okay, so rounding up the numbers to the nearest 10 is nothing but just you have to round the value in tens place only. Okay, rounding up the numbers to the nearest 10 means you have to just replace the number only tens place. Okay, so some rules are there. The first rule is check whether the ones place value is greater than or less than 5. Okay, so first all of you check the ones place value is greater than or less than 5. Next, if the place value is less than 5, if the place value is less than 5, just you have to replace the number with 0 right now. Suppose if asked, I will give 12 right now. 12, what's the 1-digit place value? 1-digit place value is 2 right now. Yeah, yes, 1-digit place value is, I will write, wait, one example, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number right now. So what's the ones place value? Ones place value is 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yeah, it's less than 5. Okay, so just you have to put the value 0 in ones place. Okay, so you have to, what's the answer? Just you have to put the value 0 in ones place and write the 1 in ones place. Okay, this is less than 5. How will you round the nearest 10? How will you find the nearest 10? Okay, next. If the place value is greater than 5, okay, if the place value is greater than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, one's place value is 5 or 6, 7, 8 or 9. Just add 1 to 10-digit place. Since I tell one example. Listen children, 46. What's the ones place value? Ones place value is 6. Ones place value is 6. 6 is, listen children, whether the 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5. Yeah, yes, 6 is greater than 5. So just you have to add 1 from 10th place. So add from 1 place, what we will get? 5. And next, You have to put the value ones place in 0. Okay. This is a rule. This is rule. Next example, I will tell clearly. Okay. Okay, children. Next, I will show one example. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. So one given number is there. Okay, which number? 57. How many digits are there? 2 digit is also there. What's the ones place? Ones digit? The ones place value is 7. So first, listen children, how will you round the following numbers? How will you round the numbers? First check whether the ones digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. The one digit place is 7. 7 is greater than or less than? Yeah, yes. Greater than 5. Greater than 5. Next, what we will do? Just add 1 to 10 digits. 10th digit place value is 5. So just you have to add 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So the rounding value of 57 is 60. The rounded value of 57 is 60. Listen children, just you have to add 1 from 10th place. 1's place value is also 0. Okay, don't write 7. The 1's place value is also goes into 0. And next, you have to add 1 from 10 digit only. Okay, so the round value of 57 is 60. So I will give another example. Round off each of the following numbers. Okay, round off each of the following numbers. The first example is 512. Listen, 512 is a 3-digit number right now. So you can just change 10's place value. Okay, round off 10's place value. What we will do? First, check whether the ones place value is, what's the ones place value? 2. Is greater than 5 or less than 5. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes, less than 5. Just you can write, you can put the value 0 in ones place. Otherwise, the number is also same. Okay. Suppose if the number is less than 5, just the one you can change the ones place value only. Okay, the ones place value, you can put the 0 in ones place. So 510 is the round off value. Since 2 is less than, so you can come down. You can come down the tens place. Okay, listen, this is the 12. How will you read 12? But nearest to 10, 10. Nearest tens right now. So the answer is round of value is 510. The second option B, 12,785. 12,785. 5 is also equal to 5. Okay, right now. So just you can go to tens place. What is tens place value? 8. So you can add 1 to 10 digit place value. 8 plus 1, 9. Listen children, otherwise the place value does not change right now. So the round value is 12,790. Just you can change tens place value only. Okay, you do not change 100,000 and 10,000. You can change only tens place value. Okay, guys. Next, I will do the self-practice sum. The first one is round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Only you can change tens place value. You can replace only tens digits. So listen children, the first example is 62. So what we will do? First, we will check whether the one digit place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. Right now? Yes. Listen. So the ones place value is 2. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes, less than 5. So just less than 5. Just you have to put the value 0 in ones place. What we will get? 60. 60 is the round off value. What's the round off value of 62? 60. Okay. And the next one is E. 738 is a 3-digit value right now. So first check whether the 1-digit place is greater than 5 or less than 5. Greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes. Greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. What we will do? Just you have to put the value 0 in ones place. And next you can go to the tens place. What's the tens place value? 3. So you have to add 1 from tens. 3 plus 1, what we will get? 4. So the answer is 740. Do not change in 100 place. Just you have to change in tens place value right now. So you have to replace only tens place. Do not change 100 place. You can replace only tens place. Okay. The next one is 412. This is also 3-digit number. Check. One's place value. One's place value is greater than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. Okay. So just you have to put the value 0 in one's place. What's the round of value? 410. Okay. And the next 7,556 is a 4-digit number. Right now is a 4-digit number. What we will do? First check the place value, one's place value. What's the one's place value? What's the one's place value? One's place value is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, it's greater than 5. And the next we can do add 1 to the 10-digit place. What's the 10-digit place? The 10-digit place value is 5. So just you have to add 1. What we will get? 6. Okay. So what is the round value? 7,500. So next you can change the value, 10's place value. What will change? 6. 60 right now. So when this one's place, you have to put the value 0. You have to put the value 0. So 7,560 is the nearest tens place value. Right now. Okay. Next, you can go to rounding up the number to the nearest 100 place. Nearest 100 place. Suppose 199. What will go to 200? So 102. Go to down. So 100. This is 100. Replace the 100-digit. Okay. The following rules are there. First one is check whether the 10-digit place is greater than or less than 5 is also same. Okay. Greater than means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If the number is less than 5, you can go down the 100. Okay. Suppose greater than 5, you can go up. You can go the next 100 value. Okay. Less than 5, just you can come the same 100 value. Greater than 5, you can go to the next 100. Next 100 means just you have to add 1 to the 100-digit place value. So listen. So the first example is round off each of the following numbers. The first one is 729. 729. Listen children. In this 100, you can change 100-digit place. 100-digit place. Okay. So you can see first 10-digit, not go to 1-digit. Okay. 10-digit means that is 2 digits. So you can see first one's place value. In this place, you can see the 10-digit place value. Whether the 10-digit place is greater than 5 or less than 5. What is the 10-digit value? 2. Whether the 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes, less than 5. Okay. just you have to add, you have to put the value 0 in tens and 0 in ones. What's the round of value? 700. What's the round of value? 700. Listen, children, you have to round off the value in 100 place. Which place? 100 place. Okay. So just you have to see whether the 10-digit place is less than 5 or greater than 5. Right now. Okay. What's the 10-digit place value? Yeah, yes, 2. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes, less than 5. So just we have to put the value 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Okay, so the round of value is 700. The second one, 24,876. So just you have to see the 10-digit. What's the 10-digit value? So sorry, 7. Right now, just you have to change 7. 7. Listen, children, all of you change this number 7. Okay. So I will write 6. So just you have to change 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, it's greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Okay. What we will do next, you can go to the 100 place value. What's the 100 place value? The 100 place value is 8. Just you have to add 1. What we will get? 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Just you have to change 100 place value only right now. So what is the value? 24,900. 24,900. Okay. So 24,000 is also same. You can change only 100 place. So 9, 10's place value and 1's place value is also 0. Next. Round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. The first one is self-practice 2. I will do in some. You balance sum in your homework. The first one is 657 right now. What's the 10's place value? 10's place value is 5. 5 is equal to 5 right now. Okay. Just you have to go to greatest number. So you have to put the value 0 in 1's place and another 0 in 10's place. And next you can add 1 to 100 place. 6 plus 1, 7. What is the rounded value? 700. Okay. And the next second sum, 1,329 right now. So just see the round of value. What's the 10's place value? 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yeah, yes, less than 5. What we will do? First write 1,000 place value 1 and write 100 place value 3. And just you have to put the value 0 in 10's place and 1's in 10's place. Okay. Less than 5, just you have to 0 in 10's place and 1's place. Okay. And the next, 59,267. So first, all of you see the 10's place value. What's the 10's place value? The 10's place value is 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yeah, yes, greater than 5. Right now. So first, all of you write the number 59. You do not change the 10,000 and 10,000 place value. Just go to 100 place value. What's the 100 place value? 2. Just you have to add 1. What we will get? 3. And the next 10's place value is also 0. 1's place value is also 0 right now. And the next 9,832. What's the 10's place value? The 10's place value is 3. 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yeah, it's less than 5 right now. So you have to put the value 0 in 1's place and 0 in 10's place. And next go to the same number 8. Okay. So just listen, children. If the 10's place value is less than 5, Just you have to put the 0 in ones place and tens place. That okay. Otherwise, you do not change any number. Okay. Suppose greater than the tens place value is greater than 5. Just you have to put the value 0 in ones place and put the value in tens place, and you have to add 1 to 100 place. So this one is 2. You have to add 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So you have to, the round off value is 300. The nearest 100 value is 300. This nearest 100 value is 800. And the next one is 6,420. Right now, what's the tens place value? The tens place value is 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 5? Yeah, it's less than 5. So just you have to put the value 0 in ones place and put the value 0 in tens place. And next, you have to write the same number in 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, 6,400. Okay, this is round of nearest 100. This is the round of nearest 100. Okay. So, okay, children, listen. I will do some sum in your note. Okay. So, balance sum, I will note it. You can do first B, C, D, G, H, and second sum nearest 100 right now. B, D, E, G, J. Right. How will you do them? Listen, once again, I have to tell. If round off the following number to the nearest 10, what we will do? Yes. Listen. This is a 4-digit number. First check. Ones place value is greater than 5 or less than 5. Yeah, it's greater than 5 or less than 5. Yeah, yes, greater than 5. What we will do? Yes. Next, you can add 1 to the 10-digit place value. What's the 10-digit place value? 5. 5. You can add 1. What we get? 6. Next, you can write the rounded value. You can put the 0 in ones place. And 6, you have to add the 6 number in tens place. And 100 place is also same, and 1000 place value is also same. You do not change in 100 place and 1000 place. Only you have to replace in tens place, only nearest to 10. You have to change in nearest to 10. Okay. Okay. So what's the nearest 100 place? Yeah, yes, listen children. Just whether check 100 place value. Okay. So you now round the nearest 100 place. So you can choose 10-digit place value. Okay. Whether the 10-digit place value is less than or greater than. This place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So you have to put the value 0 in ones place and you have to put the value 0 in tens place. Next, otherwise the 100 place value is also same. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.